Replacing a disc brake caliper and brake cable requires a cable cutter and Allen wrench. Use pliers to remove the cable end cap. Loosen the brake cable fixing screw and pull out the brake cable. Loosen the brake caliper fixing screws and remove the caliper. Next, remove the brake cable. If your brake cable is in good condition, skip to the next step. Adjust the gap of the two adjustment knobs to align, and remove the brake cable from the brake lever. Remove the old brake cable and housing. Take out the new brake caliper, and unscrew the screws that come with it. Install the caliper onto the frame, ensuring the disc is properly inserted. Screw on the screws that were just removed. Take out the new brake cable. After aligning the gaps of the two adjustment screws, insert the rounded end of the brake cable into the brake lever. After inserting, misalign the gaps on the adjustment screws. Insert the housing into the brake lever. The housing protects the brake cable. Route the housing and brake cable through the frame's cable guides. Then connect them to the brake. After threading the brake cable through the caliper, straighten the brake cable, then lift the brake lever slightly and tighten the nut. Turn this nut counterclockwise to increase the caliper clearance, or adjust it according to your needs. Adjust the angle of the caliper so that the disc does not touch either side of the caliper, then tighten the fixing nut. Cut off the excess brake cable, and attach a cable end cap to the cable end. At this point, the brake caliper and brake cable replacement are complete.